this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone. And this is easy. So I have my Samsung phone, Motorola, and then a Google Pixel. These are the most popular Android brands. So the first thing we want to do is swipe on down and then go to power and turn off our phone. Now not every phone is going to be the same way to do it. So the Samsung phone is probably going to be the most complicated. So you will need a power cable connected to your computer, PC, or your laptop on your Samsung phone. So here's a power cable. Plug this in. So you can see it's charging right now. What you want to do is press down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Power button, volume up, and just hold this down. And the phone has to be off. Now if nothing happens after about 10 to 15 seconds, let go. And press down those two buttons again. So you can let go, press them down again, and it should go to that screen. So it should work now. And there goes Samsung. Then we can unplug the power cable from our PC or laptop. And then we can just go on down to where it says wipe data and factory reset. And boom, we can do it right there. Now the next one is going to be our Motorola phone. We want to hold down the power button and the volume down button. So let's do this now. Power button, volume down. And I felt the phone vibrate. Use the volume keys, go on down to recovery mode. Press power. Then you're going to be brought to the screen where it says no command. And you can just hold down the power button and tap volume up. And then you can go on down to wipe data. And then we finally have our Google Pixel phone. So hold down the power button and then the volume up as well. So we can just do this. Now sometimes you might accidentally press the wrong button like I just did and the phone is going to turn on. That's fine. You can just try a different button combination like the volume down next time. So let's do that one more time. So you might have a different Android phone other than one of these three. You can just try the combination of power button volume up or power button volume down. So all you have to do is shut down your phone. Now let's try it one more time to see if this works. Power button, volume down at the same time. And now it's going to go to that recovery screen. Press the volume down, go to recovery mode, press power. And then you're going to get the same thing on your Google Pixel phone where it says no command. Hold down the power button, tap volume up, and boom, you're in this menu. Just go down to wipe data and factory reset, and then you should be able to reset your phone. And this is going to delete all the data off your phone. And then you can log in with your password for your Google account, and you should be able to retrieve your contacts. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.